Welcome to Casa Lupita, where every luxury stay contributes to a meaningful cause. All proceeds from this exquisite villa directly support the Lupita Project, a non-profit organization providing life-changing rehabilitation and therapy services for people with physical disabilities. Sleeping up to 8 guests, this villa is crafted for inclusivity. Casa Lupita boasts accessible pools with ramps, motorized stair lifts, sliding doors, and complimentary transportation, combining luxury with accessibility. Savor state-of-the-art amenities from a therapeutic steam room to an outdoor jacuzzi, all amidst serene ocean views. As the founder of the Lupita Project explains, form and function coalesce, creating an accessible paradise that stands unmatched. Choosing Casa Lupita means more than just a memorable getaway. With one booking, you are enriching dozens of lives with opportunity while immersing yourselves in Oaxacan design, weaving your story into a legacy of health and happiness.